two popular personal finance apps, Credit Karma and Empower. But only one can truly help you take control of your money. Which one really delivers? On one side, Credit Karma, known for free credit scores and financial recommendations. On the other, Empower, a versatile app that promises budgeting help and cash advances. We're comparing their real features that matter, credit tracking, budgeting tools, user experience, support, fees, and more. Let's skip the glossy marketing and focus on what counts. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know which app stands out overall. The winner could surprise you. Let Liquina could promises budgeting help and cash advances. Here's what we're stacking up today. Cost. Because nobody wants random charges, features like credit, saving, and spending tools, security, obviously user experience, as in how it actually feels to use the app, and finally, those quirky extras or integrations that secretly sway your decision. Ready? Let's go category by category. Alright, first off, cost. Credit Karma is literally free. I mean, no-brainer. It's all credit monitoring, reports, the whole 9 yards, and you don't pay a dime. But heads up, they do show you ads for partner offers, so you will get the occasional nudge for a credit card now and then. Empower, meanwhile, lets you kick the tires with a free trial, but after that, it's about $8 a month. Yeah, ouch. On the plus side, Empower does bundle in budgeting and even cashback, but price-wise, I mean, Credit Karma is just unbeatable here. Subtle hint, winner is just unbeatable here. Subtle hint, winner goes to Credit Karma. Next up, features. So Credit Karma gives you credit reports from TransUnion and Equifax, plus some personalized recommendations, which is nice, but you don't really get much beyond credit stuff. There's no budgeting, no savings automation, and definitely not a checking account. Empower, on the flip side, is more like a money sidekick. Track all your spending? Check. Automated savings? Yep. Need a $250 cash advance? That's there too. Not gonna lie, some features do hide behind the paywall, but if you want that all-in-one vibe, Empower just do hide behind the paywall, but if you want that all-in-one vibe, Empower just does more. Let's talk about security. Honestly, both give me peace of mind. Credit Karma's got the whole bank-grade encryption, plus they can only read your account, not move money. Empower? They go a step further with an FDIC insured account and what they call advanced fraud protection. Bottom line, either way, your info's locked down tight. So I'm calling this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know over 130 million Americans have checked their credit score for free using Credit Karma? That's a wild number. Just thought you'd want to know. Alright, user experience. Credit Karma really nails the simple dashboard. Honestly, you can check your credit score in like 2 seconds. It's clean, super snappy, but yeah, the ad clutter sometimes gets annoying. Empower just looks gorgeous. Honestly, very modern, but navigating, especially for new folks, can be a little tricky at first. Still, overall, I think Karma edges ahead here for just being so straightforward. Extras and integrations. This is usually where surprises pop up. Credit Karma, you do get personalized loan and credit card offers, and they even hook you up with tax filing through some partners. But you can't do real banking stuff inside the app. Empower, though, brings out the bells and whistles. Your own Empower card, cash advances, automatic budgeting, cashback rewards, the works. The catch? You gotta link all your accounts to unlock everything. But hands down, this round goes to Empower for sure. So let's stack it all up visually for a sec. Look at this. Credit Karma totally dominates on cost and ease of use, like no competition. Empower's the hero when it comes to features and those extra perks, while both absolutely crush it on security. So, what's the verdict? If you just want to keep tabs on your credit for free and don't care much for any frills, Credit Karma is basically the best you can get. Now, if you're more about hands-off budgeting, having an easy way to save, or you like the idea of occasional cash advances, even if you gotta pay for it, Empower is seriously worth a look. It kinda comes down to picking the right sidekick for your money life. Was this useful? Go ahead. Compare your options, make the smart move, and start taking charge of your finances today. Oh, and if you want more straight talk about money apps, hit that subscribe button for more tips.